Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Our today's lecture is of step by step English grammar level 6. Let's start our lecture. Lesson 8 Adverbs. At times a single adverb is not able to completely tell us how, when or where something happens. More words are needed to get a clearer view. For example, the plane took off quickly. To give a better description, we can write the plane took off with a big roar. With a big roar is called an adverb phrase telling how the plane took off. An adverb tells us something more about the verb. A phrase is a group of words without a verb. A phrase does not make complete sense. Another example, the plane landed in the middle of the night. Here, middle of the night tells us when the plane landed. We can give another example, the plane landed in a lonely spot. Here, we are told where the plane landed. When we use more words, we get a better idea of what happened. The group of words in red in the above examples are called adverb phrases. Let's understand. Copy the following sentences in your notebook. Underline the adverb phrases. The giant came to his room huffing and puffing with anger. Huffing and puffing with anger is an adverbial phrase. We went to see the flower show in the evening. In the evening is an adverbial phrase. Stan and Justin went up to the roof to fly kites. To fly kites is an adverbial phrase. Next, page number 28. The hitchhikers pitched their tent for the night by the lakeside. For the night by the lakeside is an adverbial phrase. We must water the plants in the evening. In the evenings is an adverbial phrase. Practice. Copy these sentences in your notebook. Fill in the blanks with a suitable adverb phrase. First, the cruel master beat up his dog in anger. He walked up the stage in a prestigious manner to receive his prize. He parked his car in a bitter way. The police found the missing man with full devotion. The boys shouted, screaming with joy, when the principal announced the excursion. Complete the following sentences with the phrases given below. He cleaned his hands thoroughly with plenty of soap. As the train went into the tunnel, it whistled loudly. Every last night, the tiger had jumped on its prey and killed it. The bungalow was burgled after sunset according to the police. They reached home in a flash. Mr. Lois became a complete recluse in the last years of his life. Given below are some adverb phrases. Use them in sentences of your own by providing a suitable verb and any other words of your own. This is your home task, students. You have to make sentences by using these adverbial phrases. Extended exercise. Copy the passages in your notebook. Fill in the blanks with adverb or adverb phrases given below. Once there lived in a certain kingdom a king and a queen. They lived happily with their beautiful baby. On her first birthday, the royal couple decided to celebrate it in a big way. They invited all the fairies and other friends to bless the baby. They somehow forgot to invite one wicked fairy. All the fairies came in a big way and blessed the baby wholeheartedly with gifts of wisdom, kindness and happiness. Before the last witch could complete her Blessing, the castle door opened and the wicked fairy came, seething with anger and stamping her feet. She shouted at the top of her voice and said, "My gift to the princess is that she will live to be only 16." On hearing this, the king and queen started crying bitterly. The last fairy, who had not yet given her blessings, said, "Don't cry, I'll prevent the spell from being so terrible. The princess will not die but will sleep for 100 years till a prince wakes her up." Okay students, if you have any question regarding this chapter, you can ask me in comment box. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.